Branson Greer, and I'm a junior at Melissa High School. One of the classes that I'm in is computer maintenance. In that class, we do a lot of hands-on computer work and also a lot of learning about computers online. That class is cool. You get to really learn about all the kind of physical components of a computer and that sort of thing. You get to kind of build computers and look at each component and also learn about them online. So if you're into kind of building computers, building gaming computers, just kind of the physical component of technology, then that's going to be a really interesting class to take. And then the other kind of CTE class I'm in is computer programming 2. This is a really good class, especially computer science is a really big growing industry. It's like the largest growing job right now. So it's a really good class to take. You get to learn about Java, which is a programming language. So you're going to be writing programs on computers and trying to get desired outputs and that sort of thing. So computer maintenance, you get to learn about the physical aspect, and computer programming, you get to learn about some software and that sort of thing. So they're both really cool classes.
I'm Damian Wiedemann. I am a junior at Melissa High School, and I'm taking cybersecurity, networking, and computer programming 2. Cybersecurity and networking kind of go hand in hand. Networking, you're working more with the cables and the actual switches and modems, setting up a computer network so that computers can communicate with each other and the internet and, devices on the network that they're located on. Cybersecurity is more like the secure aspect of it. You're trying to perform tasks that lock it up, like setting administration passwords, going in and changing files so that people cannot get into certain files. It's more of a security-based aspect of networking, and it's really helpful to take both classes in tandem so that you get the full experience of it. Computer programming 2 is a advanced version of computer programming 1, which is actually going to be changed to computer science. It's run in Java. You're going to be learning about the programming of a computer, kind of what runs under the hood of a program when you're opening like Microsoft Word. You get to see like the print output when you're typing something, what actually happens behind it, stuff like that. And it's a really enjoyable class and it's really fun.